back again with me here, Lina Dishara, at Great Home Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm gonna have a kangkung vegetable, or normally we call water spinach. Let's get started. Kangkung vegetable, mostly we can find many in an Asian country. It's very good growing in the tropical area. If here in Australia, we normally grow in the summer season. So this plant, known in English as a water spinach or river spinach, or sometimes they call water morning glory, or some people calling swan cabbage, but in Chinese they call it Chinese spinach. So normally kangkung vegetable is grown in the under the water sometime, or they use a moist soil to grow. It's growing very good in the tropical area. So yeah, why not try to grow some? Let's see what is coming up. So here I have a quickly explain about health benefit consume of kangkung vegetable. Yeah. So first of all, is kangkung reduce cholesterol level and prevent constipations, anti-diabetic, is good eyesight and fight anemia and boost immune system and help liver problem, improve skin health and remove intestinal parasite, and the last one, anti-aging effect. So all of this health benefit is when you consume a kangkung. So we move to the next one, is where is you cook many recipe out of this kangkung vegetable. So in Malaysia, they always call it sambal belacan kangkung. This is very delicious. If you go to Malaysian country, you should try of this vegetable recipe. And in Indonesia, they always do stir-fry kangkung, or they put a lot of chili and a lot of ingredient in that. So it's many countries have many type of recipes. So you should try it and see how you like it or not. Thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.